Panel. The hosting panel is the fundamental base of our cloud-based platform. In-house developed for the past 10 years, it combines our learn-by-doing technology enhancement to provide the user an interface that satisfies any expectations of an easy, convenient, and versatile functionality. Hosting Control Panel is the virtual place where you can manage your hosting account. Click on the Login button to automatically log in the Hosting Control Panel. Once you are inside, you can auto-log in all other control panels you have access to by clicking on the Switch Control Panel button. Change your language preference by highlighting the language icon and scrolling down. You can change your language preference either to English, Spanish, German, French, Russian, Arabic, Bosnian, Bulgarian, Chinese Simplified, Croatian, Czech, Danish, Dutch, Finnish, Greek, Hungarian, Italian, Japanese, Norwegian, Polish, Portuguese, Portuguese Brazil, Serbian, Swedish, or Turkish.